Different kinds of rocks and stones present around us are used for the purpose of construction and also to increase the aesthetic appeal of the facades. But have you ever wondered how these stones and rocks came into existence and become a part of our life? Now, India's first open rock museum will be providing all kinds of interesting information about these natural resources present in the many layers of the earth. This rock museum, established at CSIR's National Geophysical Research Institute, Hyderabad, was recently inaugurated by Dr. Jitendra Singh, Union Minister of Science and Technology and Earth Sciences. Our team too visited the institute to explore the utility of this wonderful museum and interacted with scientists of the institute.
CSIR National Geophysical Research Institute has recently opened a rock museum which has been designed in an open and fortunately been dedicated to nation by Honorable Minister of Science and Technology, Dr. Jitendra Singh ji.
Here we have displayed about 45 different rock types as we see them in the field, and you can see the mineralogy and also different structures and the textural relations of different minerals in these rocks here, and each rock is a resource.
About 45 rocks obtained from 14 states of the country have been displayed in the open premises of the NGRI, a premier institute for geophysics and allied subjects. These mineral rocks obtained from different depths of the earth range in age from 3.3 billion years to 55 million years. The purpose of this museum is to provide students and researchers with detailed information about the rock diversity of India, its importance and utility.
So in an area called Mahagiri in Orissa, in the Tumka Daiteri based of Shingam Craton, we found some of the oldest materials dating back to 3,950 million years. That sample is being displayed here. You can see here a dacite, which is a volcanic rock, acid volcanic rock, which is of 3,560 million years, which is one of the oldest acid volcanic rock found on the Indian subcontinent. So, and also the next to this there is a granitic gneiss from Gorur from Karnataka, which is about 3,300 million years. This is a sample called stromatolite, which is from the Jaladurgam village from Anantapur district of Andhra Pradesh. You can see here there are a lot of columnar growths of colonies of these early bacteria, the early formation of the earth into colonies, and you can see the layering growing up in the sequence, and you can see the rock. It is called stromatolite. And similarly, over a period of time, life evolved and into more complex forms. Here there is a rock called fossiliferous limestone, in which you can see a lot of brachiopods, small shells got stuck in limestone matrix and which became consolidated. This was around about 120 million years old, Cretaceous from Cretaceous age from the Tiruchirappalli from Tamil Nadu. And there is a petrified wood from Khammam of Andhra Pradesh, where each component, each cell is replaced by silica, and now it turned out to a stony wood kind of structure.
Rocks are formed over different periods of time due to the mineral deposits present in the earth. The rocks displaying different forms and sourced from different places play a key role in the economy of India, as they are harnessed to obtain a variety of minerals, metals, and even precious stones. Samples of different kinds of rocks present in this museum expand one's knowledge about their various uses.
This is a rock called Bandaren Formation, which works as a proxy for such a growth of life, and which you can see here. There is layers of quartz rich and iron rich layers here, and there is a hematite ore, which is a ore for iron. So here these rocks, they come from very deep in the mantle, at about 175 to 200 plus kilometers depth, and which are explosive volcanic rocks. You can see here large chunks of material that is struck in this kimberlite, and these come from very great depths. These are the best suitable rocks that will help us to understand what is happening deep in the earth at hundreds of kilometers depth. So these also bring diamonds to the surface of the earth. Geology is a subject that can be best understood or best learned in the field. So rock is an aggregate of minerals, and the internal structures and textural relations between different minerals, they give us a lot more information on the processes that underwent in their formation.
Apart from the Open Rock Museum, NGRI also has an exhibition on minerals. This exhibition showcases different minerals discovered so far and throws light on their formation and utility in our lives.
At CSIR National Geophysical Research Institute, we use different geophysical methods in which we either use the artificial or natural sources, and based on the physics model, interpret the physical properties of the rocks at depth. It's more important that how the large number of students can take part in the development of their career towards earth sciences, which is going to be a science for the sustainability of the humankind.
Human civilization has grown exponentially, utilizing the invaluable resources present in the rocks. Therefore, these rocks are tied closely to human development. It is important that young students understand the importance of this asset and join the field to make its use sustainable. The Rock Museum is a successful attempt to attract and inspire the younger generation towards this exploration. And the Government of India plans to build 75 such museums across the country.